You're not gonna believe what Winnebago fit in this coach. This Sunflyer might just brighten your camping life. All new for 2027, behind me, the Winnebago Sunflyer 22RS. Only a small footprint, but tons of stuff in it. Can't wait to check it out. I'm Mikey B with Beckley's RVs. Let's get into it. Walking up to this coach, it's shiny and bright right from the get-go with the high gloss fiberglass, bringing in some nice styling as well, like the front molded cap. You're gonna have the big mirrors on the driver and passenger with the built-in side camera for your safety. And patio time is definitely elevated with the power awning. You've got a propane hookup for any of your cooking devices, electric and TV in case you really wanna jam out, and your four-legged friends are gonna be safe with the Pet Pal right by the door. Stepping inside this Class C compact footprint, it is optimized floor plan for any adventure. On our door side, we have our full kitchen. For this compact layout, it has everything that you're gonna need. Starting from the top down, we have our two-tone upper cabinetry with a lot of space, really nice large chrome door handles, as you'll also see in the drawers itself. Solid surface countertop, heck, even the stainless steel sink has nice bamboo cutting boards that it gives you a little bit more counter space, as well as a flip-up counter extension on the end. Underneath, of course, you've got your drawers, but I really like that Winnebago made some space for a tall trash can if you need. Cooking-wise, you're gonna have your 2-burner propane stovetop that obviously can do there, but the microwave is also a convection microwave with an air fryer. And of course, all that cooking, you gotta store some food, right? We've got a 10 cubic foot, 12-volt refrigerator, and next to that, a ton of pantry space. On our off-door side is Winnebago's dinette, always a dream to have. Big tabletop, integrated cup holders, cushions with high density so you're not feeling like you're sitting on wood. And of course, it's real super easy to set in case you need, set it into a bed in case you need some extra sleeping space. And if you just need some extra storage, above us is 2 doors that are wide, tall, and deep. And last but not least, big window, allow some extra air in with roller shades to keep for some privacy. In the rear of the coach, not compact feeling at all. And that's all in part of the big slide out back here. We have our queen bed that gives you a full walk around, high density mattress for a great night's sleep. Plenty of storage over top, windows at either end with a little bit of a nightstand, as well as some charging ports for your mobile devices. To the one side of your queen bed, we have a big shirt closet with 2 really deep drawers at the bottom. Bathroom, not compact at all. Nice sized vanity, plenty of storage underneath, big mirror right in front of you. And if you need a little bit more toiletry, we have our medicine cabinet above the toilet. And last but not least, as far as a shower, that's super important to me. We have plenty of elbow space in this huge shower. Front of coach, just in case you got some extra people that are coming with you camping, we've got a big queen bed up here that we can sleep to. As you can see to my left here, we have a swing out TV that really gives us great viewing angle for wherever you might be in this coach. And of course, the power plant of this coach, big powerful V8 that gives you all the power, as well as 8,000 pounds of towing capacity. So yeah, you're like me, we always want to bring our toys with us. We can with this one. I don't know about you, but this is a ray of sunshine to all those Class Cs out here. Again, behind me, the 2027 Winnebago Sunflyer 22RS. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up. Comment below, I'm sure some answers I need to get out to you guys. And everybody show us some love, smash that subscribe button. I'm Mikey B with Beckley's RVs. We'll see you at the campsites.